Yeah, you could probably look to take profits if you haven't. My stop's just above 35.
What's up, guys?
What up, dude?
What's up, dog?
And we're gonna make some tacos right here.
Oh, hold on. Put that back on the screen, sir.
I'm not looking
I
at the
need to see
screen. Let me
that big.
Ooh.
Got some
Oh.
chicken, some carne asada, Monterey Jack cheese, rice and black beans, and some peppers.
Who got the
Yeah.
heat?
Throw that on some tortillas right here for a little lunch snack.
Just past 100K Tradeify eval, T-Dub.
Let's go.
Nice. What'd you play? Oh yeah, bud. I definitely hear the landlord.
Rolling up this taco reminded me of my old rolling days.
What do you mean?
Just cruising around in my 6'4".
Oh yeah.
What'd you think? What'd you think I was talking about?
Just rolling around in the 6'4"?
Little spliff.
Oh. Jocking the freaks. Clocking the dough. Went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there cold shooting some hoops.
You're telling me you can't hear that lawnmower?
Nope.
Wow.
Oh.
Rad. All right, let's get through this 118 level, and then we can crack down to hopefully 100, 080s, and I'll take full TP. Here it is, 118. Let's break through. It bounced right off it. Come on, baby. Give it to me.
I have yes that should hold like right here
Accelerate.
if oil drops.
Do it.
Finally got a trim off on my SPX. Besant tried to fuck me, but
Yeah, he got me out of well, he got me on R2I. That's for sure.
IWM been weird today. That one's been tough.
Yeah, it made the lower high, but I liked it for the shot. You had a whole number, it didn't hold it. And we got out. The 15-minute reverse, I was a little early to it. Didn't fully close up there either, so. Happens, give back some profit on that one. Try not to give back more right here with this long on ES from this area. And my short
pre-market lows on SPY
oil.
and Qs, I think. Pre-market lows on both of them. 5-minute VWAP on Qs as well. I think
So
Qs
outer
here.
outer VWAP band right here too.
I need to put this
Just
order
like
in
traversed everything. So
on SPX.
Yeah, NQ's trying to hold that level, but still see VIX rising.
What are we up? 70% now? Oh yeah, 75% right here on SPX, baby. Cash money business.
I'm a cash money millionaire.
Ow.
cash money is an army.
SPX plus 75.
There's a duffel bag boy. All right, slam through this. Come on.
I can probably leave this SPX until end of the day. As long as it doesn't get down to 7,600.
What in the hell is going on? fuck is my neighbor doing?
See, I'm bitching about my landscapers. You're bitching about your neighbor. Your neighbor's got the car though. Like, just put them on blast.
Dude, I'm telling you, I should put this guy's Instagram out there.
Nah, everyone just hit him up. Yo, sick car, and just like hype him up. And like every time you see him, just like, oh, it's so ugly and annoying.
It would be so funny if you just heard like, or if he just got like, I don't know, 50 messages in English. He's like, dude, my account's blowing up.
Going viral. Am I fixing to take profits? Or can NQ slam?
Are you short right here on NQ?
I've been short since 45.
Had a sell signal come in at 115 on SPY, SPX, and Qs. You have a 5-minute evening star and lower high.
Yep.
Got a little head and shoulders up there too, and that 5-minute evening star just
And I just took profit.
On Qs had the head and shoulders. SPY didn't.
I'm flat.
That right shoulder was perfect for it.
Yeah, I'm running this 3K challenge account, so I'm just trying to capture as many
Good
points
God,
as possible.
Oh, you're doing the top step one?
Yeah.
Nice.
So
I thought about grabbing one.
they're sold out.
I need that. Oh, the top step thing?
Yeah,
Oh,
which is
these sell
unfortunate
out?
because apparently you can have 5 of them. I only bought 1.
Yeah. I didn't know there was a limited supply of them.
Yep. Let me check the site again.
Yeah, just like Rizzo got that 250K account. That would have been sick.
Yeah,
So those are
accounts.
more challenge accounts than evals. Can you still copy trade those accounts with all of your other normal ones, or is it completely separate?
I think you can copy trade, but you can only have 1 mini and 10 micros.
Yeah.
But
I love how they're
account
just like
disappears once
setting
you
up
hit
the
the goal.
degens.
Like you have to get 3K to pass it, and then it resets back to the 1K minus drawdown static, and then you hit 3K again. The account closes, and you get that 3K.
I mean, for $49, that's not a bad ROI if you know what you're doing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And I realized the fact after it, where I'm like, oh wait, you can have 5 of these. Like,
There we go. Come on, oil.
I may just flip long.
I'm already long. I don't even know where I want to trim. Yes. Rizzo's going to tell me.
I'm trying to
right
get
here.
filled right here at 40. All right,
No
I
way
am
I'm
long and Q. Hopefully it just doesn't smack the 9 and go against me.
I'm about to get my first trim on oil. Oh? Who said
Pretty
something
sure I
about
can't even
oil?
trade oil on this.
There we go. First trim on oil.
Yeah, that's
iDubbbz is still bleeding.
that don't look good.
Shoulder.
My stops are just below this. Not a great look off of the 9 EMA, but risked it for the biscuit.
It sounds like my neighbor is jumping on a bed.
And one fell off and bumped his head.
It's like it's literally like Casey, like if your daughter was just jumping on the
know.
bed and you just heard the just
Clean rejection off the 9.
Ooh, yes, gross. IWM, gross.
Mm-hmm.
Wonder if it's going to crack that 118 level I was talking about, like right around here. If it does, I am immediately going shorts.
I didn't even get any trims. Damn it.
So one thing I noticed earlier, the run up that we had on SPY and SPX, there was a gamma level on SPY at 765. There's another one on SPX at 7670. And when they were pushing up towards that, they weren't really increasing too many other strike prices above that. So for me, it was a great short for the ceiling. And like right now, since the rejection, 7650 and 7645 have been increasing on SPX, and we're at 7650. So thinking maybe we can go a little bit lower here. Just a tad bit.
We get
50.
Oh, yeah, I think I'm going to get short right up here against 118. If we can get below it.
At least the oil short is offsetting yes doing nothing. Somehow making money because I'm just sitting here break even on one and I'm up 30 cents on the other.
All right, I'm short right here. 120.
Damn,
Short
IWM.
MQ 29 120. Again, rolling with his challenge account, so we'll be trailing.
IWM's daily is going to be a short and a half.
We got to get below this 118. We can't do it.
Did you see this daily on IWM, Casey?
Mm-mm. Let me see. Oh, Jesus. Oh.
You do have the 50-day and a gap fill here, but come on. I mean, and we lost the whole number. We rejected it yesterday.
That don't look good.
It looks like a shorty.
So the banks were popping up a little bit this morning. And
Look at KRE. KRE looks like a short. That's a big component of IWM.
they sold
regional
down
banks.
a little bit.
I want to accelerate right here. Look at book map. Look at these orders flashing below. They're opening it up basically down to 105. I'm short right up here at 120.
What does ES's book map look like?
Keep moving those damn orders.
Oh my god! I just want to know what you just hear a sound. You're just like, what are you doing? Like I have no idea what. Earlier, I heard a drill. That sounds like a hammer, I guess.
Let's send in the drill team.
Yeah, drill oil. Let's drill for some oil. Now down to 84.5. I guess I can tighten my risk on that since I trimmed. God bless.
Can't get below 118. Okay. Okay, man. Okay, man. Give it a little crack. Give it a little smack. So 118 said, hold my beer.
All right, so CL, I'm gonna put an order down here in the low 60s just to be prudent. But I'm really looking for that 51, 52 area.
Here we go. Let's accelerate. Excelsior.
Weird. ES is holding right on my average.
I'm sitting right here at my entry.
I want this thing back to like 76, 77. And I want oil another 25 cents lower at least. I doubled the size of it. You dumb person. You are really dumb. I'm about to have to go make me some breakfast.
Quite
Hourly
hungry myself.
close in 1 minute. Let's see if I can get a couple trims off. I'm gonna go make some breakfast, come back and watch. Colin. No, it doesn't sound like that. But kinda. I don't know. He showed up in a third car the other day. It was like a purple Challenger. This guy really likes Dodge. I don't know his stroke game. You're 100% correct on that. if this is his stroke game, he got that power stroke. He's more of a Dodge guy though. Show up in that Cummins diesel.
Oh, come on, NQ.
Well, ES longs are sitting at break even. Oil shorts are sitting at T1. This boy, hey, this is
stopped out.
to be the most
very
impressive.
Soon. I am out flat. Gave back a little profit. Still green on the day, but could not crack below that 118.
Oh, we get a little headline. What is that?
It's just a night bot.
No, there's something. Oil flashed down to like 63, 65, sorry. I don't see a headline. I do see oil getting a pop though on that.
All right, fuck it. I am long. Right there at 146.
Did QQQ hold that same spot again? It didn't even get down there, did it? Oh, no, it didn't.
Reclaim a VWAP.
It was weird. I could have swore this 120 was in a level. Oh, this was Asia and London low right here. But I feel like this has been a level for a long time. It has been a level for a long time. That's what I thought. Hourly looks bad. 30-minute could be a flag. Could also be CBC flip short this green candle. Pick your poison. All right, well, I'm gonna go make some food and come back and babysit this position. Jarrett, that was like 2 hours ago. Not really, like an hour ago.
Sitting right here. I'm long at 145.
Lots of bluster from Doug Ford, who is the premier of the Canadian province of Ontario. Who's better known as the less charismatic, intelligent, and overly unimpressive America is the USA and without the United States, Canada wouldn't survive. It's where they get all of their money because of their attitude to not be allowed to remember, life would be electricity, oil, someone should allow to
That was incredible.
Up it up. Or
All right, I'm going to slide my stops up in profit to just below 55 from 146.
Oh, nice bounce here.
A little British bounce.
Yeah, you had three kind of reasons for the support there on Qs, which all held. If you draw a fib from pre-market high to low of day, that is your midpoint of the day. 50% retracement, that is your pre-market low back test. That is also your VWAP back test. So nice bounce back up to VWAP off of it. A little bit stronger on Qs versus SPY and IWM.
Come on.
Do it for the kid.
Don't start getting stuffed here.
No.
I was thinking about shorting it right here.
I think you got a better chance of going to high of day. 710 on QQQ.
Got one more taco to make. Dude, they also put smoked bacon bits in here too.
Ooh.
Oh, and what are those like soup bowls called?
Soup.
Soup. Like the soup bowls, like you put like corn in it. It's like brothy. It's a Mexican dish.
Mexican soup.
Caldo?
Caldo. COTE.
No, CALDO. Caldo.
Oh, caldo. Yeah, what are those like?
Soup. It's just like soup. Like if I'm sick, that's what a nice little caldo, some chicken. All right, there's my first fills on ES for the trim, 7 points.
Yeah, for like NQ. Yeah, like 195, 200 again, and SPY previous day low retest. Kinda interested in shorting it. Kind of, not really.
How do you have your KC? How do you have your VWAP set up? Well, for one, MNQ and NQ could have different VWAPs because of different volume, right?
They do. So QQQ on a 5-minute chart today, its VWAP
QQQ is different too.
Yeah, QQQ's VWAP on the 5-minute is completely different today than where NQ's VWAP is on 5-minute right now.
Yeah, because NQ traded all night.
So where NQ just based at right there at 120, that is QQQ's 5-minute chart on the VWAP for today. Where NQ is at right now after this pop is where its 5-minute VWAP is at for the day.
I mean, I'll answer this question, Miss Jessie. Since I'm a Confluence trader, if it lines up with 3 other things, I use it. If it doesn't, then maybe I just use it for like a target. I need oil to drop more.
Oil.
But 2 winning trades here, huh?
What about people who say you're only interested in the Middle East for oil?
What? Huh? Oil? Who said something about oil, bitch? You cooking? Oh. Yeah, come on, y'all get out.
Is you cooking?
Is you cooking? I'm waiting for Meta to hit 560 today so I can trim my calls. That's literally the only thing I'm trying to do for the rest of the day.
I am just long oil. I'm sorry, short oil, long ES. NQ, if it can make a beeline to 240s.
215.
Needs like 240 to 260 for me to work into a short, maybe 270. Then I can do it. And just wherever QQQ lines up, the 710 area. So if you look here, I'll pull it up on Voltic here. 710 is the big spot. So once again, it needs to get there quick. If it doesn't get there quick, the trade is not as appealing.
Hey, Walmart, new high a day. What?
The blue light special, baby.
Yeah, I bought that shit this morning.
Stole it.
I'm sitting in that with some time.
Qualcomm, apparently Samsung saying they're looking for their own chips or something to get away from Qualcomm chips. Oh.
Pop it for Poppy. Up to 215.
I've got a slew of trims above here on ES.
A sleigh.
There's 10 points. No,
535.
I lied. There's
Bro.
76.
Meta. Come on now. Stop playing with me.
Come on, fill me.
I sent a tweet out earlier. I took Google, I took Tesla, I said meta calls with the eyes emoji. Been cruising up. Cruising.
Come on, ES, pop right there.
New high a day, meta. Look at that Morningstar reverse on the 5-minute, baby. Oh. She gonna make me trim. Maybe. Hold on. Let me see where the contracts are at.
Hold up.
That does look good too, because it like went sideways here for an hour and then just back tested it.
Yeah, I drew that little flag right there, and then we got the breakout. And then on the daily, where it bounced at.
Oh, you got $5. If at least $2 more.
Yeah, I'm trying to just let it go up to 560 to the daily 9. Would be nice.
At least the 9, 562.
Would be nice. I'm trying to get like you, my boy.
Well, there's 10 points on ES.
And
About half.
Long ES, nope.
Oh, made up for the RTY with the oil short, and then won this ES one.
I'm still long from 45, 145. I'm looking to take.
I think Q's wants to go to new high of day. It hasn't taken either side of the IB. 710 is the magnet on QQQ GAX.
I got 240 on my TP on this long, so about 100 points.
Yeah, I see
Stops
it.
are in profit.
Right. Whoopsies.
Let's do stops break even. Yes, I'm at a little bit more than half now. Good trade. What's oil doing? Still holding? Stop it. Shut your mouth. Start rugging oil.
Do I just take my money off the table? Looks like she's trying to hold.
I really want to go make food. I got the yes trims that I needed.
All right, I'm going to take profits right here. 76. Boom, filled.
Kind of want to buy some Walmart shares too today. Feeling kind of nuts.
Yeah, I think I already own enough, but I really wanted to buy more under 100.
That's
there.
I know that's what I told myself, but
this volume shelf we bounced off of at 102.5.
I'm thinking
That's
maybe
nice.
it was like, it got close enough.
I was gonna buy like 97 and just DCA below.
I have 2 levels below my buy zone was 100 to 98.4, and then bottom of that was $96. That was like, dude, if you're not in this, fucking full port. And we
What's
hit
Costco doing?
So I like Costco. Costco's in a big weekly squeeze right now. She's consolidating. She's going to get a big move.
Oh, Costco does look good.
If you got the squeeze indicator, I think it's on a squeeze on the daily, weekly, and monthly. It's been in one for a minute, and you see how it didn't flip downside right there. You see how
And
the
weekly is
weekly's
like trying to curl upside.
trying to curl. So I'm not in it. I'm waiting until sometime between now and Friday to start a position. But if retail starts to cruise higher, if like TGT is looking good, Dollar General,
Good God.
yeah, TGT's been having a great last little bit.
Dollar Tree reports earnings. Look at this weekly.
So does yes, and so does DG. They both report.
DG right at the 200 day.
Yeah, so I'm waiting to see if retail stays strong. Maybe earnings from these ones pop up a little bit. By the end of the week, Costco looks ready, and then potentially catch a weekly squeeze on it shortly after. So,
all right, I've got to make myself something to eat. I'm starving. I'll be back in a few.
go get
Something
your
goes crazy, somebody yell at me. I have trim set at 80 and 80 to 75 on yes.
I think I could turn my rate. Dude, Meta. Quit fucking with me, man. How much did it just miss my trim by? All right, the alert's going off right now for Meta pushing for 560. Come on. Our premiums are $10 away from trimming. Go.
Well, there she goes. All right.
Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it.
There's your 215 hitting S1.
Let's fucking go.
Come on. Give it to me. Fill my orders. Rage, rage, fucking rage. Fucking rage.
Oh my god, 715. Are you shitting me?
Amp, whatever you're making, make 2.
I heard order filled.
Nah.
I'm glad I didn't, because boot would be up.
Oil's not dropping, but
Will the GTA 6 extended look be at least 30 minutes long? 19%.
Nice.
Well, looks like that 15-minute buy signal did pop it up a little bit, eh? Hey there, Valgor.
I did pre-order that GTA game for sure. That game is going to make me get a new console, something that can actually compute with like whatever's needed to run that thing. I think my old ass Xbox is not going to run it.
Oh my god. Come on, you piece of shit.
Push it.
Come on. Phil. Boom.
His name is Phil.
Gosh, Meta. What the fuck? Look at the volume that just came in on Meta. Look at this candle. Look at it. Oh, look. All you got to do is speak it into existence today. This is the third fucking trade.
Nice job.
Let's go. Great job, guys. Finally. All right. Been waiting on this bad boy all day and all night. Yeah, it's entering into the gap. Make sure you trim right here. Nice pop. They're at 730. You can probably get a fill at 725. The 600 are at 780. These ones are at 725. Bang, bang, choo-choo train. Bang, bang, choo-choo train. Come on, Meta, do your thing. Dun, 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 dun.
Dude, that's my favorite song.
Right? Finally. God. Even if you didn't swing Meta with me over the weekend, you could have bought this at any point in time today for this move. The bull flag break over 555 was sweet. That was beautiful. Send. All right, daily nines right about at 562.45.
Let's pop it. Pop it.
Pop it louder. Pop it louder. Dude, the magnet worked. All you need is to draw emojis on your chart sometimes. That's all you need.
Thought that's all bookmap was. Just crazy bubbles everywhere. Bubble magnets. It's got to push through this S1 NQ right here at what, 214, 216. And look, look. Send it.
Qs look like about to make a new high day. IWM starting to curl.
Yeah, NVIDIA looks great. She won't do it. Pop over that 225.
Sell 58.
Big pop over the 225. Nice.
All right. Let's keep things moving and grooving now. We can go see a new hive day. I want to see things really start to pop for you. Boy.
Oh, did I get my... Oh, nice. Where's the gap fill? $91.
Nothing but green sticks on ES.
Yeah, it was a good trade. I got my trims.
All right, we need to break in base over this zone if we're going to continue it into this gap and go higher. This is your gamma level on SPY again. This is previous day low again on Qs. I would initially look to short this, scalp it down,
Where's NQ?
but you want to break in base.
this
Look at
is-
look.
NQ could be a short right here.
I should have had resting orders. I could probably still chase it real quick.
Sell 35.
Yeah. 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 Go Pat. Should have put some resting orders on ES right up there at like 85. I think eventually we can break and base over this though. Just need NVIDIA and a few other memory names and chip stocks to play some ball. Yeah, I think that headline was from earlier today. That was from like 4 hours ago.
Looks like VIX is slamming down pretty good.
What's going on with coin? Yeah, it needs to pull back. As it should be.
I'm really tempted to short the 240s, 260s. QQQ. Yeah, I'm just gonna go grab my food before I do something dumb. We're gonna try adding back to oil right here, though. Oh, KC,
What up, gang?
I got a fresh bottle.
Oh, hold on. My thing disappeared.
Ooh, Diablo sauce.
Oh,
Oh, there you go.
yeah, my mom hooked it up. She bought 5 of these things, or it was like 2 Diablo, 2 fire, and 1 hot. Wrapped them in bubble wrap and everything. Like, mom went all out to get these to me.
Nice job, Noah.
Better rejection on ES and NQ. Come on, Sade. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Go, Pat. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. No. What are you doing? Stop. No. Stop it right now. There you go. Uh-huh. Go, Pat. Uh-huh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Yeah. Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Uh-huh. Yeah. Yep. Looks like you're gonna miss the panty raid. Dude, I scored on this one though. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Dude, 5 points lower. 5 points lower. Let's go. Mm-hmm. There it is.
Give it to him.
And filled. Yay! I'm all out.
Nice trade.
Nice work.
Thank you, sir. I feel like it can probably still go in, but
Oh man. Light me up, Diablo.
I feel like this wants to like flash lower.
SPY's back testing your 5-minute EMAs and previous day low. Be interested to see if they do bounce it right here.
Yep.
We set back underneath that, then go back to doing what we were doing before. I mean, technically, we are still doing what we were doing before, but same short spot again to keep us in the box on SPY and ES. Apple just fell off. Apple fell so hard, I see little gaps on the 5-minute chart between the candles. Amazon's been fighting the daily 9 all day long. Microsoft hit 490 target intraday, pulling back. Tesla hit the daily 50 EMA after bouncing off the SR flip level this morning. NVIDIA is still a disappointment. NVIDIA looks so bad, it's at low of day, and it has a head and shoulders. That's rough.
All right. We back. I scarfed the eggs and quesadillas I made.
Ooh, nice job on Meta. Nice profits. Great work. Love to see it.
What's the best prop firm deal right now? It's more about which prop firm is best for you, and it depends what you mean by deal. If you just mean like what's the cheapest price or the current biggest discount, or what's the best bang for your buck. Those are all separate questions to be had.
If you want the cheapest accounts for prop firm, Apex. But
Gross.
you pay what you get for. I'll tell you that.
There you go. The take profit trader. First off, use code WOLF at your favorite prop firm, unless it's Apex, and use code WOLFX over there. It's the only spot. Everything else, code WOLF. You'll get the best discount for whatever they're running. But I would say you probably want to look at take profit trader. Sorry, I got distracted because I looked over at oil. Ripping to my stop.
Let's go Meta.
They got rid of the daily loss limit, and they have
3 days to pass versus 5.
3 days to pass going on right now. Correct.
And 50% off.
Is this just gonna fall right back in the middle? And the video's looking bad.
Yup. Dude, I really think it is. I've only been bullish enough on Qs today one time, and that was at 9:45 this morning at the low near 703. And unless that gets tested again, I'm not longing unless we break in base over top of the zone right up here that we keep rejecting. Oh my God, look how dark it just got in my office.
It did get dark.
Holy shit.
My brother got a there's a
power outage
coming through.
Speaking of which,
dude, look, I almost blended with my shirt. You can't even tell.
You got tan, bro.
God, dude, Walmart. Gosh dang, man, the greatest company. You know what? Earnings, they tried to keep her down, but can't do it. Oh my God, it is pouring rain outside.
I like a good storm.
Makes me want to.
I love to sleep. Yes. Oh my God, dude, you give me a thunderstorm, I sleep like a freaking. No, I don't even want to say like a baby because my babies wake up.
Let me turn the Casey Trades light on. That might help a little bit. That's gonna be sleepy though.
Dude, you give me a good strong thunderstorm for a few hours. I'm hibernating.
Wally World. Can Walmart and Meta get like a deal headline out right now? That would be incredible.
Oh, gross. Not what you said. The fact that the music stopped. Like an old dog. There you go. Oof, CL, what are you doing? CL's about to be a flat nothing trade. What's the difference in a 25K account and a 50K account? My G says 25K.
Someone beat me to it.
Damn it. I was trying to take the question seriously, but
Sometimes you can't.
Just self-explanatory.
Brandon, CRCL weekly call here? No, I would short the shit out of this. I would short anything crypto. Probably not right at this moment, but I think anything crypto is a short. I think Bitcoin is probably a short. I would rather it finish the move that I want, but every one of these is overextended. Bunch of hype below it. Like Coinbase should be telling you something here. Couldn't even get to the 200 days, getting stuffed.
I think it's going back to 170.
Circle is right around the IPO opening price again. What does that anchored VWAP look like?
I did that last night.
Oh, look at that.
Because that's on my watch list.
Oh, so if we go up there again, I wouldn't buy circle calls here after the move it just made. If anything, if you didn't get in during this, you were too late. Coinbase looks like a fat round bottom girl short.
I was like waiting for you to finish that.
But I got distracted.
It happens.
Happens to the best of us.
All right, I'm short right here. NQ 78.
Oil looks like it's going back to 84.
I'm looking to take some off in the 60s.
85.4, sorry. You short right here? You would be.
I did.
I'm about to have to open up stocks on spaces for Evan because he's a loser for like 10 minutes. What a dum-dum.
All right, come fill me in the 60s for a trim. Stops are in profits. Come on, let's accelerate.
So just
San
right back to
Diego.
go up and then just chop the rest of the day. Is that what happens here? Or they just buy it up this last hour from here? Damn it, these look like fat shorts. Oh,
I'm short from 178, looking to take one off in the 60s. Right about, come on, a little bit more. A few more points, 6 more points to be specific.
I have levels right here that we could hold across the board.
I do on SPY.
Freaking R2I came all the way back to my average after stopping me out. Joke. Yeah.
All right, just stopped one in profit from 78 down to 70. So 8 points.
We still
Took
not taking IB high, and we have an hour left.
Yeah, I took multiple contracts, so trimming along the way.
Looks like you're gonna get a shot to 150.
Well, there's your crackdown to freaking 64. Ah! Love when it does that. But yeah, I would take some off right here into the 60s. I just have one runner left. I'm looking for a little bit bigger of a move. Maybe if we get down to what, 145?
You have a trend line right here on Qs. Draw a trend line from low of day to the VWAP bounce on QQQ.
What happened to Tesla?
Dude, smoked. Hit the 50-day.
Oh, good God. Look at his Tesla
Dude.
just getting wrecked.
I played the bounce this morning. It went straight to the 50-day EMA, and then,
Yeah, what the hell is Trump talking about?
I'm eating a taco. It's Tuesday. Always.
All right. Tapping into the trend line on QQQ.
Come on, let's
It's around like 707.75 area. If it breaks that, I'll probably flush right back down to VWAP. SPY still sitting right at previous day low.
I'm still sitting in the short from 178 on NQ. Nice move right here.
Holy Tesla. How long Tesla again at 343?
Oh, I'm so tempted to add DS. Keeps holding right here. NQ looks like shit. So does NVIDIA. Damn it. I'm not going to do anything because I got to go start this stupid space and wait on Evan to get there, and then I'll be back.
Amazon's rejected the daily 9 EMA like 7 times today.
Dude, the amount of buying today on Qs though. Thank you.
Come on, let's push down.
It looks like it wants to.
She wants to.
She wants to push it. And Google just backtested the daily 21 EMA after rejecting the daily 50 EMA.
Still sitting in the short from 178. Looking for possibly just down to 100.
Or you just bounce right here.
Or you could bounce like right around here at VWAP. My stops are in profit, so IDGAF.
Oh fuck! I gotta start the space.
We'll hold it down, POP. Was Evan out on the boat with Imp? Or not with Imp, with Jordan?
It sounds like it.
Saw a picture of Jordan out on a boat somewhere.
I'm on a boat. I haven't even looked at my socials.
I'm on a boat, motherfucker. I'm on a boat and it's going fast and
Nice. Fishing. Hell yeah. Come on down. May get stopped if we get above the 21 EMA on NQ's 5 minutes. Using that as my gauge for if we get continuation down or not. If not, I gotta actually go. I gotta handle some things before I head out to the Padres game.
you going to a baseball game?
Yes, sir. Pirates versus Padres tonight. Going with a buddy of mine from my old baseball team, who also trades. He's into trading just options and stock. But yeah, should be good. It's Jackson Merrill bobblehead night. Pumped about that. Jackson Merrill played baseball around my hometown, so shout out number 3, Severna Park. Funny story, his dad was actually my Uber driver over the holidays. We started talking small talk, and he's got a San Diego mug in like Annapolis, Maryland, right? And I'm going to the airport. I'm like, hey, that's where I'm flying. He's like, oh yeah, my son lives out there. So obviously he asked like who my favorite Padre was, and after listing 4 or 5 different people, he was like, yeah, I could tell you're a baseball guy. I'm Jackson's father. I'm like, oh no, that's awesome. The heck you doing driving Uber at 4:30 in the morning? Yeah, long story short, he started the Merrill Foundation called Merrill Madness, and it's to help families pay for kids' travel expenses because him and his wife were teachers, didn't make a lot of money to pay for Jackson to play in travel league. So, small plug for Merrill Madness. It looks like NQ's probably going to hold. I will be out if we pop it back into the 60s. I will take my profit and then call it a day. Or if we smack down, baby. It'd be nice.
A lot of volume just came in on that previous 5-minute candle on QQQ. A lot of volume. Walmart needs over 107 to enter back into that daily gap. Be
Oil
bad.
push it above VWAP.
Take some trims up there. A little small safety.
Ooh, oil, they want to stop me out. Kind of want to re-add. This is where I was going to stop out, but
Oh my god. That rate.
I'm still sitting in the short from 178. My stops are in profit at 65. I've trimmed along the way, looking for a bigger move, and totally fine with it, slapping my stop. But low-key not okay with it. Here we go. Accelerate down. The pain train. Pain, pain.
oh man, now what? Do they allow you to take your rocks to the game?
I even looked at the chat. Who's roasting me?
It's not my boy Mateo. Abe Froman says he loves Petco Park. Petco, I feel like that's one of the nicer parks to go to.
I hope the Padres lose. I mean, I've got no vested interest. I'm a huge Orioles fan, and Orioles are in the wild card race, so I don't give a rat's ass about any other team at the moment. But, yeah, go Padres. I'll be wearing a Jackson Merrill jersey. It's his bobblehead night, so why not?
If you got real aggressive, you could play the long here with NFP, but do you think about arm calls, KC?
Ooh, no.
Arm. Let me see.
There's definitely some weekly support in this area. It doesn't look great though.
Let me see. We closed under the trend line on Qs.
Good. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low. Still sitting in the short 178. For those that say we're not clear about our entries, 178. Looking for 100.
I mean, arm's tough.
What about leg? TRADEify just dropped a 300K account.
What?
Did they pick it back up?
Mhm.
Oh man, I need to get off. The bad jokes are coming out. I like how they call it TRADEify futures. They're expanding it. Let's see. Let's log in the old dashboard.
I mean, arm
out.
goes under 200. I mean,
Yeah, limited edition, 300K.
be decent there.
40% consistency, 6K trailing max, 16 minis or 160 micros for $499.
I mean, most of these names, INTC, I wouldn't touch INTC until after NVIDIA. There's going to be a lot of stocks that are going to get sympathy moves from NVIDIA when they report earnings. So, I mean, NVIDIA could be a huge nothing burger. It could be an IV crush, could open up flat, could sell down to 180, could rip to 235. I mean, we don't know, but a lot of the names in that space are going to get sympathy moves from it. So INTC, you could be like, yeah, it's looking good for calls here on the daily chart. But in 2 days from now, when NVIDIA reports their earnings, when NVIDIA reports their earnings, I'll tell you right now, NVIDIA doesn't care where INTC is at on the chart and what technical analysis you have on the INTC chart. It doesn't. NVIDIA cares about NVIDIA. NVIDIA will react however it wants to react whenever numbers come out and whatever's said during the conference call. So if it's good, it's good. If it's bad, it's bad. INTC can get that sympathy move based off of however NVIDIA reacts from its earnings. So I'd just be careful sitting in swings on some of these names until after that.
And I'm about to take profits. If it pops up in the 60s, I will take the money off the table.
Don't like what oil's doing. Well, it did a lot of work this afternoon to make a little bit of money. But I had that really good long this morning in the exact low of day.
Ooh, Etsy. Mm-hmm.
Come on, stuff. I'm here.
Oh.
Oh, eBay? Yeah, eBay on the weekly. Shoot.
That was a nice looking back test. It looks similar to the arm back test.
Flats. Flats. I am done trading. Great trades today. Green on absolutely everything.
If eBay's at 110 at the end of the week, that's probably a good swing long. Walmart, new high of day. Woo!
I like it when you talk dirty to me.
Talk dirty to me.
All right, I gotta go, fellas. I gotta get some things ready before my buddy swings through. Head in on the train down south to the Padres game. So I'm out.
Oh, yeah, you're
Later,
taking
Gator.
the game.
Yes, sir. I was just saying. I think while you're making food or whatever, Jackson Merrill bobblehead night. So gotta go get my toy. It's like a big kids meal back in the day when you're at McDonald's, but I can have a beer with this one. So I'm out. Later.
Later, Brady. Have fun. Drink a beer, eat a hot dog for me.
What's your favorite beer? Cold beer. We have Jay Woods is on with us right now. He's a trader. I saw him at the exchange. You probably didn't recognize him, Casey. He walked right by us.
Who was it?
Jay Woods.
I got no idea.
He's on Spaces right now. He trades options on the NICE.
Oh, nice. I think Q's can maybe get that little move down to VWAP. Oh, look, now the sun's coming back out. This bipolar ass weather.
Hell yeah.
So the kids are in the living room. So we have a rule. We kind of have this rule in the house is they all have tablets, but we don't let them. They're not tablet kids. We don't let them sit on tablets, watch tablets all the time. We make them actually go outside, play, interact, play with toys, play with each other, do other things other than look at a screen. But if it rains, they're allowed to have their tablets. So that's the rule. So then if it thunderstorms, that's when they're allowed to have a fort because of a storm.
I like that.
So they're sitting in a living room in a fort with their tablets, and they're sending requests for snacks.
Oh yeah.
And
is it pigeons in the house, or what are they?
So Everly wanted cheese.
Actually, that's a Harry Potter family, so you'd have an owl, right? Dude, you need to get a little remote control owl.
Need a little Hedwig.
Little Hedwig.
She said Everly wanted, or Sissy, Macy, she wanted Cheez-Its. Then she wanted to trade it for some popcorn. And then Everly, I guess, wanted popcorn. She told her that she needs to knock whenever she comes to the fort to deliver it. So she came back, knocked on the fort, put it down. And Everly said, "Thank you for the delivery. Next time, just put it down and walk away."
Oh my god. Or your kids are door dashing from a pillow fort with blankets. Like they're living a different reality than I grew up with, and you grew up with.
Freaking spoil little kids.
It is crazy. I have been like, so we made a rule that like my son can't use my oldest is the one that's like big in the tablet. I mean, he watches Minecraft, like people playing Minecraft on YouTube, or he
Yeah.
plays it himself. And we made a rule that when he's not in school, it's okay, but when school starts back up, there's no tablet until the next like school vacation. So like, or like they get one Friday off every month, so like he'll get that. So maybe like that weekend he gets to use the tablet, but we got to cut him back because he's like they get addicted and they start getting like
My son's starting to get that way.
dude, like a drug addict. Like you take it away from them and they like start like, I mean, they want to go like punch something. It's like, what's wrong, kid? I think it's gonna bounce into the close, but I don't really want to take any new trades. I don't want to add anything back to Yas. I'm just kind of like, where can I get out of this at the best spot? Yeah, feral. That's a good term. They will get feral when you take it away. Yeah, my son, literally. It's crazy. Like the like I don't know, like you see like the anger. And like like it usually takes him like 20 seconds, he calms down. Maybe like 2 minutes actually, but it's crazy. I mean, we used the iPads a lot at one point, like if we were in public. Now we just try to go to restaurants that have a play place. But it's tough. It's like one of those things where like it's easier as a parent, but it's like not good for them. So yeah, so like I mean that's the thing. Like we're trying to get them like more activities going here this year. Like my middle son is going to be 4 in November, so like probably going to start soccer at some point this year. They're in swimming lessons. Like they're starting to get more activities. There's like after school activities that'll pop up too. But like, I mean, it's one thing. Like honestly, it's one thing if my son's like playing Roblox or Minecraft. I feel like that's better than like just watching people play it on YouTube. Drives me insane.
Playing video games completely different from watching videos online of other people playing like video games and stuff. Because your video games, I mean, depending on which one, some are strategic, some
Yeah, you have to think, or like with Minecraft, you have to be creative.
Yeah, you have to use your brain and have like, I don't know, somewhat kind of, motor skills and coordination and shit for some of these games. I mean, that you're playing. If you're watching a video of someone playing it, you're not really getting any kind of decent benefit from it. But
I mean, it's one thing like you're just trying to learn how to do something, but like, not when you watch for hours of just people just doing random stuff on Minecraft. It's just like brain rot. Like we gotta cut that out.
yeah, Uber's starting to get a little perky.
What if this thing just runs into the close? What if they just take cues all the way out for the next 40 minutes? It's a higher low structure all day.
Think about bros, Dutch bros. I mean, you're looking at a weekly chart. If you want it to bounce, it'd be here. Tell me that monthly though is just not like a giant cup and handle.
We're back. And my position is down.
Guess who's back? Back again.
What are you in?
Left buy stops at 78.
Stop sells or buys?
Buy stops.
Buy stops.
Yeah, so I'm long at 78. The stop at 70. What the fuck? Stay range bound. Okay.
Yeah.
Probably make the move tonight.
I'm probably going to trade a little bit of Asia session.
I longed 67. Really, I longed from like 69 down to 65. And got up to almost new high of day. I trimmed at IV high. Or trimmed all the way up, but so I've just had runners here. Oil, I've got a nothing trade going right now because I added back what I trimmed and then that went underwater, so it's just basically a nothing. It feels like we want to pop into the close. Buy 21 EMA and 20 simple. 20 simple caught up. That could push a little bit under us. Got to get back over the 9. That would be the main watches for tomorrow. QQQ really needs to reclaim that 710 area. So we need like back over 300, 330. 400 maybe even.
NQ on VWAP though looks decent. I hate ES sitting below 77 though.
Broadcom doesn't look good, but it's got support below you. It just doesn't look good. I don't know, it's like your fourth test down here. Kind of makes me a little nervous. Maybe 350s down to 345 on Broadcom. They're trying to sell this thing on NQ. I need them to sell oil though. Quit selling in NQ. I'm just going to close out a yes here.
Oil.
I've been sitting in that long enough. I need like 20 cents lower on oil to make some money over there. I don't want to touch NQRES the rest of the day.
So I'm not gonna break the IB today on NQ, huh?
I know, it's weird. I mean, it was a big IB. It was like 300 points or something.
Yeah, it's not even the first hour, it's the first 30.
Yeah. When was it? It was like the first, what, 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, 25 minutes. We didn't break the 30-minute orb today, which is very rare.
think we're gonna end the day red today on the account. Unless I want to force something with size, but really just be flipping a coin during the MOC.
I keep thinking somebody's knocking on my doors. The neighbor's still hammering something.
Dude, it sounded like someone was knocking on your door right there. I heard it.
It's weird what this mic picks up sometimes.
I kind of want to buy NQ with these buyers, though. Just buy a couple. See, where's the VWAP off the low sitting? 130.
I have it at like 105.
No, I put it at the one where it pivoted and then made the button, not the low a day.
Make up your mind, Rizzo.
I would stop at 120, 163 average long, and then a 78 average on ES. Unfortunately, I stop at 70.
Come on, oil, drop. Where's my? I don't even know where my average is like up here now. Just trying to get back to my average. Oil must be falling. My P&L's improving.
I love when that happens. Dude, SPY is just getting smacked every 5-minute candle at previous day low. We're underneath the trend line for Qs. I still think we can get a flush down the VWAP. I don't see why we don't.
There we go. Thank you.
I feel like we're gonna make the move tonight. Back up.
Yeah. Come on, oil. Come on. More. I need to get back in the green. Oh. corren los niños con Amazon planning new automated warehouses? Just fall apart into the clothes. There's nothing to hold it. 707 on QQQ. They just put 7650 on SPX. Is that
Well, these trades aren't gonna work. I think I'm just gonna buy the close today.
just buy the open?
There you go. There you go, Q's. All right. Almost at VWAP.
A couple more.
I have QQQ on my VWAP.
I have mine at 707.
Mine just went under it.
0.00.
The TWAP just rejected.
TWAP.
$600 on the bid below us.
At 110.
Yep.
I think I just used the standard VWAP on TradingView. I don't think it's by like anybody else. And there it is. VWAP hit. Brady could have stayed in his short a little bit longer.
Show coulda.
Oh my Walmart. Oh.
The video looks like it's gonna make a new low of day right here.
Dude, that it had that head and shoulders. I was like, that's how bad it looks. It's at low of day and has a head and shoulders. That's how ugly that chart is. Oh my god, Walmart just freaking busted. Look at that hourly. You can't hold down Mr. Walton.
Sam?
Sammy.
It's funny you say that.
Come on, Bo.
Look at that right there.
Huh? Oh, there you go.
Sam Walton, what a guy.
All right. Take a little safety trim up here, coming up to the gap, Bill.
What a great day, but also like we didn't do much day. The old 5 and dime, that's right. Mateo knows.
I sent a tweet out a little bit ago saying that I am not long Walmart.
Not long enough, you mean?
Said I am not in quotes Walmart.
I am I don't ever really trade options on Walmart. The video's sitting at this low of day Like it just wants to just make a little fleshy flush. Here it comes. Is that the new low of day? Okay. Come on, oil. Give me, there we go. Bunch of trims on oil right there. Is there a world where we could just drop 30 points real fast on NQ and oil? 707. This is where they probably want to hold it on Qs. Or at least close right in this area. 20 minutes to go. Ooh, 705 starting to grow. Starting to poke its head up a little bit. Row. I'm back to break even on oil, and I trimmed out a lot. There we go. There's back to 85 on oil. Whole bunch of order fields going off on my screen. How did I get partially filled? My price. Well, I don't think we're gonna get there into the close. So this is just where I originally shorted it, just coming right back to here. And then if it gets through here, maybe we get a little flash down to 84.90, 84.80 again. But if anything, I'll look to short oil at the open again. I want it under 81.50. I think this thing has got a nice little drop to like 82, 83. If it holds this 84.50, you just get out of the way. But I'm not swinging it. I'll look at it tonight and see if I get back in it. But I'm making money on it today. That's what matters. 7 minutes until the imbalances.
There's my ES stop. Can I keep adding to my NQ position?
Oil has been, I mean, the last couple months, honestly, oil's been pretty tradable, which has been nice.
Just got the alert on Walmart that is telling me, hey, dingus, you should be safety trimming calls today going up into this daily gap fill. Look at this daily. You want to know what a chart that's going to make me full port all of my kids' accounts? Is this Walmart daily chart right now? Worth it. Look at this. Oh my God. What a candlestick. Everything I own is about to go into these Walmart. Oh my God. Oops, that's the wrong one.
Are they gonna go down here? Oh, they pulled those orders. What if this thing just rugs into the close here?
I hope not. I mean,
It's like
lowest
40
it
points.
was like 080.
Right, that's probably where it's going.
Averages in.
In DX, it's 29K, the whole number. It'd just be the draw, right? Uh, 3 minutes till MOC.
Let's go 66% on Wally World. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go, baby.
NVIDIA is just cracking into the close.
Two minutes. 2 minutes. Let's start pulling off everything. I'm glad I got out of ES and let it come all the way down to break even. Save a little few bucks there. Free money. God, look at gold ripping into the close.
I still think shop is a good one too. Shop can be a good swing.
So look at circle. This thing is going to be a short and a half.
I think circle can be a long. I just don't think it's a long yet. It's got to bounce at 0, right?
Ooh, Apple's all the way back to the lows. Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, your strongest ones today. Dude, software didn't do anything the whole day. All right, 10 seconds to the imbalances.
Oh, it's what? Oh, snap. Day's over.
Snapchats and tattoos. Here we go. Imbalances are out.
Probably just
NVIDIA is slight buy side. $1.1 billion to buy on the S&P, 737 million to buy on the Nasdaq, Mag 7 278 small buy. The internals were just sideways all day. It's kind of a typical nothing Monday with some decent moves. NVIDIA's making a new low on a buy side.
Meta. Yay. Go, 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 go.
What do you want?
High of day.
I can't hear you. I have headphones in, son. I can't hear you. You gotta tell me in English, though. You know the rules.
Please?
Can you what? Watch.
Please?
Watch. Mirar.
Watch?
Ver. Watch.
The TV, please?
Yes, you can. Upstairs.
What are these metas at? They're popping up to 750 here.
Dude, this thing looks like we're gonna go. Oof. Where do we even try to hold this? 80, 77, where Rizzo is.
Oh, 80.
Walmart beats Costco every day and twice on Sundays. Dude, you don't like if you go to Costco, you just don't have a good experience. Honestly, you should talk about Sam's and Costco. And I always have a better experience in Sam's than I do.
Gosh, dude, I should have freaking hit that short. It's 75 points.
Do we start buying it down here? That's the real question.
I wonder if Brady's looking at it like,
I'm gonna cut my earliest entries for a loss. Let's bring my average down into the 120s.
I do feel like you could try to just get long around 80.
Fuck, what a shit show of a day for me.
One of those, huh?
Yeah.
I guess I gotta start trimming oil right here. Just to work my way out of it. There we go.
right, we'll just see how this position does tonight.
I'm just gonna pop all the way back to VWAP here. Oh,
Oh
and it
no,
flipped over.
I don't know. What to the second that candle opened.
All right, I'm gonna try to play a bounce down here. 95 down to 75.
Oh, I kind of want to hit it with you small, but I'm scared.
I got filled at 95. Is that all it's gonna give us? No. What do you?
No, it has barely moved yet. Little pop, little butt.
What are you doing? Go stop out Rizzo so I can get long.
God, Nvidia just. Oh, the hell kind of candle was that at the end of the day?
All right, I'm out of oil.
Oil.
Oh man, one fill.
Ooh,
What's the
nice.
point?
Hey, we're back at my average, or my
Look
new
at
average.
that. Good job, Ryan.
95 was the midpoint of the IB. I looked at it earlier.
That SPY 5-minute candle's already back green.
Son of a bitch, dude! I have only got one fill. That's happened to me like 3 times today. Where I'm like, hey, let me long and or long or short this area, and it's just like, we're just gonna get to the edge of your zone and just sweet see ya. What's the point? You guys really think Costco beats Sam's? You guys are crazy.
I'm a Sam's Club guy.
Dude, you go to Sam's, you're gonna have a good experience. You go to Costco, you're probably gonna be pissed off. You're gonna stand in line for way too long, and you're gonna spend way more than you should have. Look, pro tip, take your wife to Sam's and take her to Costco and see how much unnecessary shit gets bought at each one. I don't even know where to trim this thing if I don't have, I don't know.
Alrighty.
Hello? Just leave the package.
SPY's still popping.
Look at bottom wick, they stepped in hard there.
Mm-hmm.
They're probably gonna slam it down to 80 after the close, into the close, and then bounce it right back to here. But maybe, just maybe, they want the 707 on QQQ.
All right, market closing in about 10 seconds.
There's the close.
Have a great day.
Damn, what a shit show today.
Yeah, for real, dude. I go to Costco and I mean, I'm parking like in the very back of the parking lot because there's only spot open. Just miserable. And Sam says better prices. All right, well, pretty good day. I'm glad I got out of oil.
Well, the best thing I did is not buy SPX calls on the bell. I was thinking about it. I had them lined up. I'm like, nah. I had to buy the 650s in order to even have a shot.
Best thing I did was long NQ at the low of day and then short it basically at the high day. Right
Yeah, I had a
here.
good day in NQ.
RTY ran me over. ES made up for it. Oil a little bit better than a flat trade.
Dude, SPX literally stopped me out at 225 on the rest, and then 230 rejected the same spot where I went short on futures after they stopped me out on SPX, and it went 100% right after. Ugh. But the Tesla calls, the Meta calls, the Google calls, and the Walmart calls today. Nice day on some of these individuals outside of the indices. So took a lot of these on Spaces, talked about a few of them here, the Meta and Walmart on the YouTube stream. But I got to head out. I hope everyone had a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Later.
See you, KC. I'm out of here as well because I've got a bunch of spaces lined up. You guys should tune in to Spaces. I'll be over on Stocks on Spaces for a little bit, and then we have our stock picks for the week. The stock picks for the week, on the back of that, we are doing a competition like we've done before with GameStop. They've been on here a couple times, but they've approved leverage share stickers, so there you can actually use leverage on there. And the price pot's $1,000. Entry is free. So we'll have all the details on that. That's coming up. Stock picks, the regular stock picks show will be in an hour. And then at the end of that show, so an hour after that, we'll have the competition stuff. Great day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. Appreciate you being here, hanging out with us. Not a whole lot of action today, but actually some decent trading for being a No News Monday. I literally longed with a 75 average right here and shorted with a 210 average here. I longed ES with a 67.25 average here. And then oil, I shorted here to here, added here, back to here. So winning trades. Where do you play that game? It's called Game Stock. It's an application. We're hosting a tournament on it, and you can get all the details if you just jump over to Spaces on X. You should see there's a post out about it as well. You can watch our timeline. Probably put it up here tomorrow. Here, let me see if I can find that and just drop it in the chat real fast. Let me see if there's a post. There's not a post. Let me go to Evan. Evan. There, that should have, there, that's got the details right there. Just dropped it in the chat. All right, chat. I'm out of here. I'll be over on Spaces next few hours. And for streams, we'll be live again tomorrow. Same time, same place, all day, every day. My parents are landing back in Arkansas right now. After a short American into the ground, by the way. My dad said he's never flying American again. I've been telling him that for years, but he's finally had enough. American Airlines sucks. My parents had to stay in Dallas last night. But either way, I'm back fully in action. Appreciate everyone that held it down late last week. I know Jordan had some like Wi-Fi issues and some stuff going on, but either way, NVIDIA falls for 7th straight day, its longest losing streak since 2022, into the earnings report. That grabs my attention. Just saying. All right, guys, I'm shutting it down. See you guys in the morning. And why does oil want to go down now too? Appreciate all you guys. Hope you guys made money today. I'm gonna make a post here in a minute. I'm having a hell of a month. Should I do that right now? If I post this, I definitely am going to get make this post. All right. Yeah, I'm going to make a post. All right. See you guys tomorrow.